New Year resolutions. Elizabeth Sewell. Elizabeth Sewell was born in India of English parents and schooled in England with a degree in modern languages from Cambridge University. She visited the States in 1949 and became an American citizen in 1973. She now lives and works in the States. She has visited Pakistan and conducted a series of lectures on creative writing at Kinnaird College in 1988. She was given a national award by the American Academy or Institute of Arts and Letters for her literary works. New Year resolutions. Elizabeth Sewell. I will drain long draughts of quiet as a purgation. Remember twice daily who I am. Will lie you nights in the bonny arms of reality and be comforted. वक्त तेज़ी से गुज़रता जाता है। हर गुज़रा हुआ साल हमें ये सोचने पर मजबूर करता है कि हमने ज़िंदगी कैसे गुजारी, अपने लिए या दूसरों के लिए क्या किया, हमने ज़िंदगी से जो कुछ पाया उसके इवज़ ज़िंदगी को क्या दिया। हर नया साल हमारे लिए नई उम्मीदों का पैगाम लाता है। पोइटिस ने इस पोएम में ये ख्याल पेश किया है कि नए साल के आने पर हमें नए इरादे करने चाहिए, गुजरे हुए वक्त की कोताहियां दूर करने की कोशिश करनी चाहिए, तामीरी कामों में अपनी ज़िंदगी बसर करना चाहिए, दुनिया को खुशियां देनी चाहिए। मुख्तसर ये कि जब हम ये दुनिया छोड़ें तो ये उस दुनिया से बहुत बेहतर होनी चाहिए जिसे हमने पाया था। पोएम अगरचे बहुत मुख्तसर और 9 लाइनों पर मुश्तमिल है, मगर एक बहुत गहरा सबक-आमोज़ ख़्याल इसमें पेश किया गया है। उर्दू लिटरेचर से एक पोएट कहता है, ज़िंदगी नेमते रुबानी है, आओ इसकी ताज़ीम करें, इसे हो सके तो थोड़ा-थोड़ा औरों में तक़सीम करें। New Year is traditionally the time of making resolutions, of taking stock of our lives and resolving generally to be better people. The poetess here makes an extraordinary resolution, that of facing and living with reality. The draining of long draughts is generally associated with drinking wine, but here she is going to drink in quiet as a means of cleansing herself. The nature of reality is uncomfortable, hence the use of the image of bony arms, but there will be comfort drawn from a resolution fulfilled. As the title suggests, the poem is about making resolutions at the start of a new year's. We make new decisions, we take stock of our activities. During the past years, we decide to be better people during the coming year. In the three short stanzas of this poem, the poetess tells us of her resolutions. In the first stanza, she says that as the new year starts, she will sit quietly for long hours. She will think of her past activities. She will think of her dealings with others. She will judge her thoughts, feelings, and emotions. She will decide where she has been right and where she has been wrong. She will do all this to purge herself. She will make herself clean by clearing her of everything that is bad or unwanted. In the second stanza, she says that twice a day, perhaps in the evening and at night, she will think of herself. Man has been created in this world with a purpose. The purpose is to make life better and happier for others. The poetess will try to find out the purpose of her life and act accordingly. In the third stanza, she says, during the new year, at every night, she will think of the bitter realities of life. She will be comforted to think that she has spent the day in working for others. In spite of so many hurdles, she has done her duty. Critical comments. The central idea of the poem is man's mission in life. The poetess has explained the idea that every man should realize his duties and work for the betterment of others. He should take stock of himself and try to improve himself. He should face the hurdles and bitter realities of life and continue working for a better world. In this sense, the poem is didactic because it teaches us a good lesson. Each year is a new beginning in life. According to the poetess, the nature of reality is very bitter. Life is full of so many troubles. The poetess suggests two ways. First, she says that we should take stock of our activities and realize our weak and strong points. We should try to remove our shortcomings. Second, true satisfaction lies in the service of others. Man should devote his life to the service of mankind. By doing this, he will be able to draw spiritual comfort in this life, which is so full of trouble. Overall, this poem is a masterpiece in the world of English literature. New Year Resolutions, written by Elizabeth Sewell, is a free verse poem. She wrote only 9 lines in a wonderful and magical manner. She used beautiful words to explain her inner feelings. She personified reality with bunny arms. Basically, she is trying to motivate modern men for New Year resolutions.